In this video, I'm going to show you how to get Amazon Prime with Microsoft Rewards. So the first thing you want to do is you want to open up any web browser like you normally would. Then all you want to do is you want to look up Microsoft Rewards. Then go ahead and press on the first link that appears right over here. Once you're done with that, you want to make sure that you do sign into your Microsoft account. So I'm already signed into my Microsoft account, so I am good to go. However, if you do not have a Microsoft account, then you will need to create one, but thankfully they make it incredibly easy and intuitive to create an account. So all you want to do is just make a Microsoft Rewards account. All right, guys, once you're done with that, the next thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on this button that says Start Learning. And then it is going to take you to a dashboard that looks like this. And the way this works is that you need to go ahead and complete a series of different tasks. And whenever you do complete any one of these tasks, you will get a certain amount of points. And then once you accumulate a sufficient amount of points, then you can go ahead and redeem it for some rewards. So as you're able to tell, we do have like a bunch of different options over here. We can listen to like Christmas songs, we can do quizzes, look at some articles and stuff like that. So you want to go ahead and just take a look at what works best for you. So let's go ahead and do the quote of the day for 2 points. So let's go ahead and just press on this. And I'm just going to show you guys how easy it really is. So let's go ahead and see what it is. I stopped believing in Santa Claus when I was 6, yada, 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 yap, yap, yap. But basically, the way you're making Microsoft money is that you are using Microsoft products. And then in return, they're actually giving you points. And then with those points, you can go ahead and actually redeem a bunch of really cool items. All right, guys. So I just got finished with that. All you got to do is just switch back to the tab once you looked at the quote of the day for like 15 seconds. But as you're able to tell, just like that, we were able to get 2 points, and there's a bunch of different points that you guys can get. And also there's like daily rewards as well. But anyways, guys, once you're done with that, all you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on this button that says redeem. And once you're over here, you want to go ahead and select on the Amazon gift card. But that's not all. You guys could also get Roblox gift card, Spotify, all that good stuff. So the choice is really up to you. But if you want to go ahead and get Amazon Prime to watch the new Beast games, then I highly suggest getting the Amazon.com gift card. So yeah, this process might take a while. But honestly, guys, if you do not have any type of money, but you do have a lot of time, I highly suggest this method. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.